Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation 4 error code E-8210604a. Coming up next in this PlayStation tutorial. So what is the PlayStation 4 error code E-8210604a? Well, this has to do with the PlayStation 4 transactions. When you go ahead and buy something on the PlayStation Store and it won't let you go ahead and make that purchase. So this error will pop up on the screen when you go to proceed to checkout and you can't buy whatever you want to go ahead and buy. So what are some ways that you can go ahead and get around this so you can go ahead and make a purchase on your account? Well, this is very easy to do. On the home screen of the PlayStation 4, let's go to the top and scroll over to settings and select this. Then go down to account management. Select cross on this and then go to account information from here. Now under this screen, we'll have a couple different options. What we want to go ahead and do is go down to wallet, where we can change our payment methods. So let's select this. Then go down to payment methods, the first option. So when we're under payment methods, what we'll want to go ahead and do is delete our credit card information and then re-add it. So go to your credit card, select it, and then delete it, and then re-add it. And see if that allows you to make the purchase. So it's not too much work to go ahead and just try this out and see if it works. Then another option you do have is to add your PayPal account and completely skip and bypass your credit card. So you'll use your PayPal account to make the purchase as opposed to your credit card on the PlayStation 4. So try that method. Now there's one other option that you can go ahead and do in terms of purchasing the item. And what we want to go ahead and do is go down to wallet once again, once we back out and go to add funds. And instead of purchasing the item directly, what we want to go ahead and do is select our credit card or PayPal account, or even purchasing like a redeem code online, like from Amazon.com, and just getting like $60 to $80 worth of money and adding it to our account through a redeem code. We can go ahead and type that in here and we'll have money on our account then. And we'll completely bypass buying something with our credit card. Otherwise, we can just go ahead and purchase, money on here with our credit card and add it to our account. So we won't be buying the item with our credit card. We'll be adding funds to our account to go ahead and purchase the item in the store, if that makes any sense. So if none of those methods work by adding funds to your account, deleting your credit card, etc., what you can try from there on out is going to sign in ID email address. So once you go ahead and change over your email address in here, go down to confirm and follow the instructions to verify your email. So make sure what you type in here is completely correct before hitting confirm. And once you do this, it's going to log you out of your PlayStation 4 and you'll have to sign in with your new email address and password. So you'll have to have a phone or a computer available for you to do this. So try out all those methods and see if your purchases are going through in the PlayStation Store now. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 checkout videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.